So I just picked up my shipping order, my Shein order from my shipping company, and I was excited, so I opened one of the packages in the car and I got this cherry red purse, the little cherry charm, and it has gold hardware. I also picked up a few gym items. I got a lot of items from Glow Mode. I feel like it's supposed to be like a Lululemon too on Shein. The quality is very nice. I have some of their items already, so I got quite a few more for gym. This is a black biker short. This is a sports bra that I got. I really like the back. It's a cute design. It's I think this one is teal. I was trying to look for a teal or a mint sports bra. This is a neck sports bra that I got. This one is, I think, the olive green. And I also have a matching bottoms that should be somewhere in this order. Oh. This is the navy sports bra that I got. Yeah, this is navy. And this one, oh yeah, a regular black sports bra. And I like this design where it has the T back design. Oh, this is the olive green leggings that I got. Yeah, I like this design because these are high-waisted and it has the pockets, the side pockets for you to put your cell phone or keys in as you exercise, and they're very comfortable, like this butter soft material. So I opened up the rest of the packages so it could just be a little quicker. I got this bag that I can throw everything in. It has different compartments and it's spacious but still compact. That's what I was looking for. So this will be like an everyday type throwaway bag. I'm sure you noticed that the theme of this haul, okay, I'm sure you've noticed from this haul that the theme was really a lot of gym stuff. Oh, I'm missing the next bag. I got a bag for the gym. Not like a school bag. So I got a weightlifting belt. It feels really sturdy and I'm hoping that it will help me prevent from getting any injuries and keep proper form, I guess. Then I got this top for the gym, but it came dirty. It looked like it was worn by someone, or maybe where they started. It has all these marks on it, and it almost want to look like deodorant stains, like you put on a shirt and then took it off. So yeah, but the top is cute. It has like an open back so you can see like the sports bra. So yeah. Then I got this green athletic dress, and it has a cute like halter type style, the back. So green, and then I got a red. And with this dress, I actually had in mind that I might wear this to Epic Universe. We'll see. I also got a black, it's supposed to be like the corset, like House of CB type dress. And then what I'm most excited for is my birthday dress. It's shimmery and it has a lot of sequins. It's like a mint sage type color, and I'm excited to wear this, maybe take some birthday photos in it. So this will be my birthday dress. And then sticking on theme of birthday, I got some, wait, I'm realizing now that I'm missing half of my order basically, but I got some birthday balloons. This one says happy birthday, the balloons. And I also got some candles and a number 29 because this is my 29th birthday. But yeah, so for now that'll be the end of this portion of the haul. I guess I'll show what I get once I have the rest of my order, because I am missing quite a few stuff still, and I'll continue to update. I missed a couple things out of the little haul, but I actually got 2 watches. I'm a Samsung watch fan. I'm a Samsung watch girly, die hard. I wear that every day, but for some occasions wearing a smartwatch just doesn't fit the outfit or the occasion. So I got these little dainty watches that I can swap them out and have something more classy to wear for those occasions, and then still also be able to tell the time. So today I am out by the deck. This is the canal, and I'm taking a few birthday shots for my niece. Our birthdays are a few days apart, so yeah. And I've been using my bag that I showed in the haul, and it's really handy. And I just came to realize it's a Baggu knockoff, basically. I realized it's like the same structure as the Baggu, and I like that it's a slim profile, but it holds a lot. So I've been liking it so far. I've been using it this week. So yeah, that's my little update for right now. Okay, this is the state of the hair. It looks pretty good. I actually wore it last night, but I didn't. I just threw it on basically. So I cut off the majority of the lace in the front, and I had previously used this this lace tint mousse that I got from Amazon, but now I want to actually perfect it. When I put it on, I did throw curls in it. It was super bulky because I just threw it over my braids basically. But I was trying to decide if I want to stick with a middle part or if I wanted to, I had a comb with me, or if I wanted to try a side part. So I think I'm gonna see how a side part looks before I finish tweak this wig. I always do a middle part, but let's see. I mean, I can do either because this is a, I'm trying to remember the closure. I think it's a 16 maybe, but I just feel like maybe, I don't know, or do both. I was trying to decide. That would kind of be where I would put my, no, that's too far over. I would put my side part someplace around here. It does not look weird. I feel like it kind of looks weird, but I guess for now, for this trip, lost my part. I'll stick with the middle part. Yeah, I think I'll stick with the middle part. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is kind of get the top. I know it's not that noticeable, but the top is still kind of like bulky, and then fix the lace. But basically, this is the hair. I actually added a separate bundle to this. This is a wig that I got from Amazon, and it says it was supposed to be 32 inches, but I don't think this is 32 inches. The bulk that I added underneath is 26, and I think that makes it look longer. This is the bulk I added, and this is the wig that I got. But yeah, so yeah, pretty much I just want to fix the lace, and I guess maybe try and make the wig tighter so it'll look more seamless, since I'm not going to glue it down. And I guess cut a little bit more for the air holes. Cut around there a little bit more, but otherwise I'm basically going to wear it like this, curled. Yeah, and I tried something new this time, and I got, it's like an ombre, because I normally stick with brown, so this is a little different for me. Okay, so I semi-tweaked the hair, and so the top is flatter, and these are curls that I had in from last night. So I am going to recurl the hair. I started to get a little warmer, so I'm in like a, so I changed anyway. So I'm starting to pack, and I'm not really sure what exactly I'm packing. So I basically have like a pile of clothes on my bed, and I will start deciding so I can truly pack. Okay, right now this is the pile that I have that I've gathered. So I'm thinking that these are the airs that I'm going to bring. And I also want to bring my birthday girl like headband, and I could probably pair it like that if I'm more than likely going to wear my Tiana airs, I think. But I also wanted to bring, I always wear these are my favorite airs. I don't have that much, but these have been my favorite. I wanted to wear this for Magic Kingdom, and then not Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom. And then when I go to Magic Kingdom, switch and wear the Tiana airs. But I'm still deciding. I'm like, is it worth it to really bring 2 pairs of airs for basically a day trip? But I'll decide once I figure out what I'm actually wearing to the park. And these are the mushroom airs that I got last time for Epic Universe. And of course, I am going to bring my Power Up band. This is a dress that I got for my birthday. Probably do some birthday photos in that. And okay, these are things that I know for sure that I am going to be carrying. I got this Shrek jersey type shirt last time I was in the park from the Universal annual pass holder store. And yeah, I have some other options, and I'm about to start deciding what I'm going to actually pack. Okay, so what I've decided is that this will be my base basically for my travel day. It's just a pair of black leggings and a sports bra. I like this particular style, because it does have the little design in the back, the little T. And yeah, what I will do is I got 2 tops that basically look the same, and I think I'll probably wear this one. I don't know, I'm trying to see if I actually like it or not. But I feel a little iffy if I like this or not. I was thinking of this being my travel outfit, but I don't know, maybe I don't like something about it I don't like with this shirt. But I'm gonna decide. Or maybe I should do the white one, because I also have it in white. Maybe it was too much. I think I would have liked if I guess it's a peplum detail maybe. I'm not sure what it's called. If it was a little longer. So I feel like the shirt fits, but it looks a little small for some reason. So this is a maybe. And if it's not my travel outfit, I will be bringing both shirts to be like an option to wear one of the days that I'm in the park or at the mall or something. But this is an option. Or I might keep it super simple and no, for sure, I think, okay, for sure, I think this says travel day, a nice slouchy jacket top. Okay, what I've decided on is I'll probably end up wearing one of those tops and carry this to throw on for if it's colder in the airport or not. And this will be my travel day outfit. I think I'm settled on this. And in terms of shoes, I don't want to bring a bunch of shoes. I think what I'm gonna do is bring one pair of sneakers and a pair of like flats. Yeah, and I'll probably wear those sneakers to the airport. One, it's really bulky and I don't want to take up the room in my suitcase with those. And two, the airport is nasty. The airport is filthy. I've seen people go through airport security in flip-flops, and we all know that for most airlines, most airports, you have to take off your shoes, and I find it very gross when people walk barefoot in the airport or barefoot on the planes. I find that gross. I feel like you should either have some backup socks or just wear your sneakers one time, so when you have to take off your shoes, you already have on your socks. But yeah, so that's why most times, those two reasons are why I almost always wear sneakers to the airport. Okay, so this is what I mean when I say that I'm going to just be bringing a lot of athletic clothes. It's basically the same sports bra that I had on before but in navy, and these are leggings, but I also have the biker shorts. So I think that I'm trying to decide if I want to bring the leggings or the biker shorts. I don't necessarily need both because this will just be like a quick option to wear for one of my theme park days, because I am going to primarily be at Universal. So I just want something comfortable. So I'm trying to decide if I want to bring the biker shorts or just wear leggings. But I think I might bring the long navy leggings and bring just black biker shorts in case I find like a cute t-shirt or something that I want to wear from the parks, because I feel like black is basic, and if it is hotter, I think the black biker shorts would go more with other items that I have. And if not, I have my navy leggings. Only thing, this navy, these are the same brand, but this navy isn't the same color as the navy leggings. It's slightly lighter, but they're both supposed to be navy from the same company, so that's the only thing. So yeah, so basically I'm going to be bringing the same combo but in different colors. So I'll bring my black, and I think I'll bring this navy I'm debating if I want to bring the cherry, because I do have this in the cherry colorway, and the teal. Obviously you can tell that I like this cut and brand, but yeah, I'm still deciding. But yeah, so I do have this little top that I was thinking to wear over this, or this with the black baggy shorts, but it'll be interchangeable depending on the day and how I feel. Let's see, I got this a few years ago. It's just a sheer top, just a little like cover up thing. It's a crop top. I never really worn it that much because I don't necessarily love the cut. If it was a little baggier or a little longer, I feel like it would be super cute, but it's fine. Now that I'm wearing it, I don't know if I'm actually gonna bring it, but maybe just to have something cover up. So I think that this will be my one of my epic universe day outfits. I have on this black and white athletic dress, and then a Hufflepuff Harry Potter purse, and I'll wear it with some Harry Potter socks and my tennis. I was debating, I might still do it. I was debating on buying the Hufflepuff beret, but I will see once I get there how I like it, because I saw it in someone's video, but you know, in person sometimes when you try things on, it looks a little different. But I'll decide then. But it's pretty simple, but I feel like it'll be perfect because I'll be comfortable. It does have built-in shorts and little cute details. Simple but cute. So this is the next outfit that I decided on. Again, simple. It's a green athletic dress with my mushroom ears. I'm sure you can guess. This dress does have some detail in the back. It's a cross back, halter style. Yeah, but it's obvious that this time I'm really going with comfort, and I'm basically just bringing athletic wear, and I guess I'll mix and match with accessories, slash if I find something in the parks that I like, I might get it to wear for that day. But I just really want to be comfortable, and I feel like this will be a good option. Now, during the nighttime, like I said, it looks like it's supposed to get colder. When I look at the weather forecast for the week, it shows a high of 80s and a low of 60s, slash around that weather range. But I feel like if anything, if I get too cold in this once it becomes nighttime, I'll quickly head back to my hotel room, maybe change, or bring a sweater, I guess. But yeah, this will be my next epic day outfit. Okay, for Disney, I'm pretty certain that this will be my outfit. The only debate I do have is, should I wear my flower ears or my Tiana ears with my birthday girl? Now, I love my flower ears. it's not something that most people have on in the parks. I did get these from Amazon, but I have worn them basically every trip I've taken for the last bit. I have worn them basically every trip that I've taken for a little bit, but on my most recent trip I got the Tiana Airs that I really wanted, so I feel like it would be a disservice not to wear them. I mean, this outfit can go with either. Like I was saying, for Animal Kingdom I might wear these, and then when I get to Magic Kingdom, switch to Tiana, because in Magic Kingdom we're princesses. Yeah. But this will basically be my Disney outfit, and what I will do, because I know that I'm going to be there until park close of Magic Kingdom, is bring the leggings to this top, and if I get, not if, when I get cold, switch into my leggings and not my cute pop flex skirt. But I do have a next option that I thought of for Animal Kingdom. I won this top before. Let me show you. Okay, I thought of possibly wearing this corset type top to Animal Kingdom with the flower ears and the same skirt. I might, because it's really thin, so it's not a problem to bring it. So I might end up doing this, because I plan on going to Animal Kingdom in the morning, and of course I'll have to, just to ride Guardians, I have to hop over to Epcot and then finish out my evening in Magic Kingdom. So I may end up wearing this top because it is beautiful. It does matches. So maybe, because I do like to bring different outfits to wear to the different parks. I just feel like it's fun. So I might end up doing that, wearing this for Animal Kingdom, and basically the all green for Magic Kingdom. But okay, and this is an outfit I plan on wearing for one of my studios days. It's just the Shrek jersey with my lilac pop-leg skirt. It's a cute outfit. Yeah. I think that's basically everything that I might end up packing. As I pack, I might decide to throw something else in. Oh, I'm bringing my Hufflepuff shirt. I got this a few years ago at Universal, and I feel like it's a good option always to have a t-shirt, and probably I'll end up wearing it with the black biker shorts. I was debating, I might also pack my black Pop Flex twirl skirt. Yeah, just to have some options if I find a few cute t-shirts that I want to wear. But for now, I think these are the options that I'm going to bring, and I need to actually start packing my physical suitcase, and I still haven't done my nails as yet, and the day is going, so I'm going to get that done now. Okay, so right now I'm packing, and I do like using packing cubes. These are from Bag Smart. This one got a little hole in it because I overpacked it one time, but I do like using packing cubes, and I do the method where you pack fully lengthwise the whole packing cube to get as much space as possible. And what I decided to do is, for my airs, is to pack them in this little Hufflepuff purse, because I'm not going to use this until I am at Universal. So I think it makes sense, save space, keep them protected. And so yeah, I'm starting to fold, and then I'll put them in my suitcase. And yeah, so that's where I am right now in the process. So obviously this packing cube is overstuffed, so what I'm going to do is split up my clothing items. I think it's because the Popflex skirts are so bulky, but what I'll do, because I have some other packing cubes, I had another rectangle one like this, a larger one, but I can't find it right now. But what I'll do is maybe put, I think, the leggings that I'm bringing, put that. Is this bigger? No. I'll put those in a packing cube on its own. The leggings and its bra top, I guess, maybe. Or maybe I should just take out the Popflex skirts, because I think that's the issue. They're a little bulkier than everything else. Yep, I think that's what it is, and that's enough space to close this without causing another tear. Yeah, so that's one packing cube, the main one with all my clothes. And then I'll just put these Popflex skirts on its own. Well, maybe not on its own. Maybe I'll put my swimsuit, because I am bringing a swimsuit in case I do get to go to Volcano Bay if it's not too cold. And also, the hotel I'm staying at has a hot tub. So I'm hoping that one of the nights that I'm there, I'm bringing this swimsuit. You can't really see it properly, but it's an old one. But I was saying maybe bring a one piece, because if it's cold, I'll be kind of more covered. That was my thought process. Yeah. So I'll put that aside for now. I'll use this small one for my socks and underwears, and maybe use one more from my sleep clothes and my swimsuit cover. But yeah, or maybe these can just fit. Yeah, they can fit in this one. But I have I'll put my bonnet in the same packing cube as what I'm going to put my underwear and bra and socks in. yeah, so for now, I'll just continue to pack and come back later to show what all I've packed. Okay, I just got back. I went for dinner and had a drink, and I really need to finish up packing. I'm basically done. All that's left really is to pack my makeup bag and my hot curler, and I think that's it. I'll basically be done. Yeah, so, but technically I don't really need to pack my makeup bag until tomorrow morning because I will be getting ready before my flight. And I will be recurling my hair tomorrow morning also. So I don't really need to pack those things now. What I have decided to do, hold on, let me flip the camera to show you. So I just remembered another thing I need to pack is these flats. I feel like it's always good to just have a pair of flats to wear around the hotel, and if I do get to go to Volcano Bay or the pool, these will be like my pool shoes. And I'll pack these in this little bag there. But I've decided that I'm going to bring my check luggage, but I will check a luggage, and I'm going to carry my carry-on because I'm probably going to end up bringing back some stuff. I think I will be doing a little bit of shopping during this trip. So in here is this is my check luggage, and I'm packing my carry-on in my check luggage. I don't know why I'm taking so long to explain that. I guess I'm tired. And I also have a duffel bag in here in case I don't actually end up bringing that much stuff back. I can just check this and maybe fit these things or whatever extra stuff I have in my backpack. I don't know. I just always carry this. What I'm trying to say is that this is a duffel bag, a foldable duffel bag, collapsible, that I always carry when I travel because sometimes I only have my carry-on, but in case I need to check a luggage on the way back, I have this. And it's also handy when I'm shopping for snacks for the room or whatever souvenirs or clothes that I find, to be able to put everything in one bag as I shop, because I don't like walking around with a bunch of bags like from different stores and stuff. This is where I put my little airs, my underwears and stuff, and socks. 1 and 2 packing cubes. This is my travel blanket, and what I'll probably do is put my hot curler along the side of the suitcase, and I may end up switching this bag into my personal item, which will be my backpack, and put my makeup bag in my check luggage. But I'm trying to decide, or I might leave this and then put my makeup bag in my carry-on bag, my personal item. Or I may be able to fit my makeup bag here. But basically I am finished packing. So in the morning, when I do my last bit of checks, I'll just close this up. What I need to pack now is my personal item, which will be my backpack, and my little sling purse that I plan on wearing throughout the trip. So let's do that now, because it's certain things that I want to make sure that I actually have on me and not in my luggage.